This video is going to demonstrate why a negative times a negative is a positive, or a positive times a negative is a negative. There's about 4 rules that we've applied for our whole lives, and this video is going to demonstrate where those rules came from. And so the first problem is 4 times 3. We're going to interpret that as add 4 groups of 3. So there's a group of 3 right there, and we've added 4 groups of 3 to the grid here, and that number is a positive 12. So a positive times a positive is a positive. This next one, 4 times negative 3, is similar. It just says add 4 groups of negative 3. So we're going to put 4 groups of negative 3 on the palette, and that answers a negative 12. Now this problem next is now we have a negative times a positive, and so we're going to interpret that as remove 4 groups of 3. Well, you are very skilled by now at recognizing that this entire value right here is 0, and so we're going to remove 4 groups of positive 3. So we're going to remove 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups of positive 3. And so that answer obviously means that we have negative 12 tiles remaining. So we have a negative times a positive is a negative. Back over here, we had a positive times a negative is a negative, and a positive times a positive is a positive. Now we have the final problem, a negative times a negative. Well, I wonder what that answer will be. So most likely it's going to have a 12, but will it be a positive or negative? Well, let's check this out. So we interpret the problem as remove 4 groups of negative 3. So here's group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, and group number 4. So when we do that, obviously we have 12 positive tiles remaining. So in summary, we know that a positive times a positive is a positive, positive times a negative is a negative, and you can read the rest of those, and we've demonstrated those all clearly using the tiles.